found it. This one yan. We're going to buy it.
Unboxing again.
We're gonna do unboxing later. Then I'll buy you just one.
Ay, wait. May
Tigisa tayo. Pero maliit yan. Yeah, that's yun, oh. Tapos ganito yung bibili natin. Like a strap, like this.
Yun talaga.
Labubo siya, no?
Kaya tayo.
Oo. Hanap tayo. Kasi ito the Monsters Labubo edition.
Pero bet ko din yun
Yeah. Maybe just one of this.
Ano pa tayo? Kasi yung sa akin,
Let's go. Because I love this, ganito yung kanya, oh.
Yeah.
Pero makatal siya.
Crybaby.
Yeah, I like the Crybaby. Maybe the Monster would be Ben. Guys, we got the customized and then, yan, bili pa tayo nito. Yay! Thank you so much. Like, guys, we're here at Musinsa. Ito yung binila ni Eugene ng pabango. Musinsa. Ano no?
Yung sumunod, oras kami.
Hindi, bumili pa siya nung umano tayo. So, I'm so confused, guys. Which is cuter? This one, it's like violet and blue. And, you know, the classic baby pink. I'm so confused. This is Budol 101. Sarado yung mukok ng 1, 2, 3. And 4 yung bukas nila. I'm so confused. Guess who won? It's this one. Kasi look at the light, oh. Pag sa light.
And pagsuot mo nga siya, kita mo ang ganda.
Okay. It's much more expensive, but I think it's worth it. Kasi if I buy the pink one, medyo pale siya and madumihin. And I have lots of pink shoes na. Like my shoes collection were always pink. Okay. Perfect. Okay, guys. We got the package. Sabi namin, hindi na kami bibili. Di ba? Sabi natin nun, wag na tayo bumili ganyan. Nung Sabado, after the BTS concert, kasi wala na kami pera eh. Tapos, all of a sudden, nag-night na naman. Nag-musinsa pa. Nakita lang yung 80% sa labas, pero hindi naman sale yung binili namin. Sabi ko, sige. Ay, wow! Yung checking account ko, wala na. Ay, naku guys. The whole Korea is budol. Or it's just me. I'm the problem. Always. Or maybe I'm the problem nga eh.
You just take advantage of the
Sale?
currency.
Or take us.
Advantage of you.
Yeah. Maybe the currency takes advantage of us. Babay brother. Totoo, kanina sobrang haba ng pila sa night, guys. Wow! Ngayon, wala na. Dapat papunta lang kami sa Kyunghee because mag-ano kami doon, picture and then mugok and then now, wow. Kasi gusto ko yung lace talaga nun. Di ba yan yung lace collection?
Ay, dito yung umakit na nung second floor.
Huwag na. Tama na. It's enough, girl. Babalik pa tayo dito sa November. Enough. Alam mo, napasama pa yung ad baggage ko talaga eh. Kasi kung hindi ako nag-ad baggage, guys, I don't need to buy anything eh. Si Gio ba yan? Hindi. Mukha ni Gio. Mukha ni Gio. Okay guys, bye! Hi guys, we're now here at Kyunghee University. So, magpapaka-estudyante muna tayo today. So, feeling ko yun. Doon kami pupunta. Kasi nag-shoot ang Perfect Crown and Love Money Fame ng 17. So, yeah. Anong membership yan? Wow. Totoo. Pero ang cute ng mga tao eh. Ang cute ng mga... Yeah. Kasi mag-aaral na kami dito. Ay, ayun na nga! Vee! Ayan. I saw the light there. Doon.
Wala gagawin namin dito eh.
You're so cute. Like, parang kung... Ay! Parang totoo. Tapos parang, bubulihin nila.
Ay, ito mo! Wala sa kaji. Parang K-drama lang.
Ay, tapos tayo yung bagong student. Yes, kita yung bagong student.
I'm a transferee.
And then hindi ka sanay mag-Korean. Ganun yung feels. Ani. Kisaki. And I know. Picture mo from here. Or yun. Yun yata. Yun yata. Yung stairs doon.
Ay, ano siya eh. Walang butas yun eh.
Yun nga, nasa pagitan siya eh. Okay, can you take a photo? Hindi, yung Fuji mo. Dalawa. Okay. Ang cute lang sa university nila that you can go in without even without V, yun na nga, may fountain. That's where they shoot the scene, so we're going there. It's not in there. Cute, no? Very super ganda ng nature nila, the building. Ay, ang sarap mag-aral. Oh, may College of Pharmacy, oh. Look. What if mag-aral tayo, no? They have pharma. So cute. Doon daw yung College of Medicine and Pharma. Alam mo, pwede din tong K-drama. Ang ganda nung nila. Feeling ko yan yun. Ang yaman-yaman mo pag dito ka. Tapos ang ganda neto, guys. Pag autumn, orange yan. Kasi yan yung autumn leaves. So cute. Ang ganda dito sa autumn. Lahat to orange and red. Dapat taga-autumn tayo. Feeling ko dyan talaga. It's one of the, look guys, ganda. May garden sila doon. Look at our library. Dito ka muna o doon? Diretso tayo. Diretso mo. Ang ganda doon, oh. Sobrang ganda ng university nila. Guys, sobra. As in, kahit dito lang tayo, oh.
It's like a palace.
Yeah. Ayun, no? Ayun pa. Guys, it's so wonderful. Tapos meron pa dun, oh. Dun yung perfect round. Yung... Wow. Sobrang ganda. Perfect. expensive and very beautiful Gothic style. Wow. Look at their library. It's really nice. Makahiya na hindi ka mag-aral talaga dyan. It's so peaceful. And ang sarap mag-aaral, no? If the facilities were like this. So peaceful. And nature. And ang ganda talaga. No facilities. Even prestigious schools sa Pinas, it's not like this. Grabe, sobrang ganda. And very gothic talaga siya. Yeah, I wish I could. I wish I am. Sana dito na lang ako nag-farm ako. Sana talaga. Guys, imagine, gantong kaganda yung landscape, yung nature habang nag-aaral ka. Pero nakakapagod kasi paakyat siya. I'm tired agad. Pero imagine, no? Bundok siya. Ano? Sobrang ganda. Wow. Sobrang ganda. I love Kyunghee. Sana dito ako nag-aaral. Bundok talaga siya. Look. Pababa yun. Pero, bawing-bawi ng nature. Wow. This, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Surprise. Surprise how beautiful this is. Wow! Wow! See? It's so beautiful. Grabe. Yeah, look at that. That's where we're going. Andyan yung filming location ng Love, Money, Fame, and Perfect Round. Yay! We found it. We found it. Yes. And ate tumabi ka. Yay! Ayan yan. Yan. Oh no! Yay, Philin! This is it! Sa baba! Yes! Oh! I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Yes! Ito na yung Love, Money, Fame! Cute! And Perfect Round! Guys, finally! Mugak day! Because who doesn't want mugak? My favorite restaurant here in Seoul. Favorite samyetang ginseng chicken soup. Okay guys, we're now here at Mugak. Yeah, vlogger kami. Say hi. This is Ate Mitch, the one we got to see. Army. Yay! Yay! 감사합니다. So, bon appetit! Yeah! Thank you, 감사합니다. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're cute.
Pwede na ako ulit maglakad. Sang River, ang sarap maglakad bakla.
Kaya nga.
Mag-ano kami? Mag-bike.
Uy, doon kayo sa ano nga? Sang River ba kayo mag... Or ayaw yun doon sa may ano?
Tuksok.
Yung may... Yung may... Bangko. Bangko. Mas okay kasi doon eh.
Bagya.
Pwede din.
Dala kayo ng mat. Wala kayong mat.
Wala nga din. Eh, ang mahal.
Hindi, magre-rent ka lang.
5,000. Hindi, sa bench na lang kami.
Hindi yung hagdan, pwede yun.
Nilakad namin nila Tita
Ako din.
Evanson.
Naabangan ko si Jungkook. Hindi ko nakita.
Sa High River.
Saan side?
Kaya nga tatambay kami.
Piling ko sa Tuksok.
Kaso yun lang sa angkat at hanggang gabi.
Saan lang yun?
Sa bagong maaga kayo. Nag-live siya. Yan live siya eh.
Tapos natakot siya. Parang makakadalang ka na.
Si Jungkook naman, nag-live siya. Sinabi niya na, pag nakita niyo ako, pwede kayo magpa-picture sa akin. O, kaya nasundan siya ng mga
Ang dami. Ang dami siya matatawa.
stalker.
Gusto naman mo.
Gusto ko lang kay Jungkook, very deep talaga siya sa mga ano niya.
Guys, another day, another night. Let's see if meron dito nung sa BTS. Oh, dito yon. Okay, guys. Another day, another night. Dito talaga, ubus na ako, guys. Ubus na ako. Wow, daming tao. Because of BTS. Yeah. I know, pwede mo ipa-customize that one. And BTS. That one. Like BTS. This one. Okay. Makikita mo na ang mukha ni Teo mo. Ayan guys, so ayun yung cup na gusto natin. That one. Okay. Cute. Nakita ko na yung cup, pero gusto ko tong ganito. V. Nike. Okay. Girl, ang dami kong gusto. As in, I want everything. This one, Vio. This one, I like it. Oh, dalawang may black. Pero meron pa doon. Oo. Saan ba natin makukuha yan? Ito yun, ah. Ay, ang ganda na ito.
Ay, ito.
Ito daw. Ito
Pero
yun.
gusto ko yung
Ito yun.
Nike. Para Korea. Ah, ito.
Yeah. Magandyan tayo. Ito, this one.
Ito may purple.
Ito nga eh, ang ganda eh. Mura lang naman yung patch. I think 200. Pwede. Yan.
BTS 원하시면 말씀해주세요.
We're now at my favorite samgyeopsal in Seoul, Mount Valley. Guys, I don't know kung nagtaas na. 25,000. 25,000 lang siya dati, di ba? 31 sa... Eugene, we need you. Look at the meat, guys. Hindi yan tinipid. Tapos we have this, I love the sauce. Gochujang, the perilla leaf, the radish, the kimchi. It's so good. Yay! So, bon appetit! So, we are now in the Olive Town, guys. Napakapit ang escalator. Napakaliit. No, pero mag-ano ka pa? So, I don't know. Ano yung bibili namin na naman today? Oh, this is their checkout. Okay. Na-feeling ko, na-feel ni ate, wala tayong bibili. Kasi, todo bigay siya ng ano eh, no? Guys, I don't know. Every day is Olive Young Day, so let's check. Hi! Hi guys! We're going to Hebangchon. Hebangchon na naman, no. We're going to Gangnam Night. And then, binaba kami sa Hebangchon ng bus. So cute. Hey. Baba ni B. To go. Tapos, i-plastic na lang. Bawal siya sa bus. Hebangchon area. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No coffee for today. So we're going now to Gangnam and baunin natin. I love Hebangchon. Yeah. Me too. Let's go. Thank you so much.
30번 고객님.
감사합니다. Sanik na naman kami. At nasisira na yung itinerary ko. Dahil dito. May Zara din, no? 3 palapag. It's so hot now, guys. Hindi na siya malamig. Ang init pa. We're now here at Kakain Kanya. I'm so happy na nakakuha na din kami ng masarap na food ko. Nakakaiba. Yeah, because nakakasama din guys. We're almost 3 weeks here. And the food, sometimes it's not giving eh. Yeah, that. So I have to put the seasoning. She ordered omelette and cheese dog. Bilog lang yung akin. Okay, we're now in Sokchon. And we're going to my Umanis yogurt house. Ma, masyado na ako ang init ha. Ang init. sa'yo. Sana nandun yung mama ni Chua. I'll show you your, daughter-in-law. I'll show you. Kanto lang yun eh. Baka yan na yun eh. Mani. Ako to, yung daughter-in-law mo. Sana nandiyan din si Joshua. Where's... Oh? May 20, girl! Look, kita din yung Drumsel Tower from here. Yun, I know. At least maganda yung Hala, may 20. We love 20 so much. Emma team. Ba't naman kasi dito pinili ni Mama Hahong? Ang layo Tapos, hindi ko pa makita. Hindi pa namin makita yung Sokchon Lake. Bakit hindi sa Songsu, Mama? Okay. I know. Kita, kasi yung Drumsel Tower, baka gusto niyang nakikita lagi. Diretso lang tayo. Yung The 20. Isang beses ko lang ito nakita eh.
Saka purple yan. Hindi ba kadalasan puro orange na nakikita?
Oo, baka ay naku, ba't kasi tayo nag-compose? Ayun na, I saw the yogurt brick. Ayun na. Tas sarado, no? Iiyak talaga ako nun. Ayan, yogurt brick sound. Okay, Mama, I'm here na. You will see me. Parang nagtatalo sila. You want 20 or the yogurt brick? Okay, bye! Oh, ayun yung bigay ni Wono. The fortune planner. Guys, ang init. I don't know, guys, if she's her.
Ube cafe.
Oh, but yeah, cafe latte.
latte.
Or let me see the frozen yogurt part. Oh, that's the price. I don't know if she's Mama Hong. It's Mama Hong. That's Mama Hong.
With
Mama Hong.
my bag.
Eh, madaming nag-order, girl. Bayaran mo na. No, it's me.
It's me.
Girl, your bias is Wano.
No. Yes, one bias. But everyone bias.
Mama Hong. Ang galing niya kasi very hands-on siya sa business, no? Cute.
감사합니다. 맛있게 드세요.
No, it's nice. Guys, this is my order. It's strawberry. Let's taste it. Hanggang? Alam niyo, ang gwapo din ng server. Server. Ate, ano? Nakapasok lang ito.
Bago na ito, Kogi. Kaya nga, tinignan ko nung dumating.
Ay, nasa ganda. Parang artista. Okay. Ayan o. Wait lang, guys. Ayan o. Nakagulad. Ayan. Nagpupuna. Ayan, yan. Yan ang bako. Ako ng brush. Annyeong. So, we're now here at Hami. Oh, yan na naman siya. Papabukol na naman siya. So hot. So hot today, guys. Like, bakit ganito kainit? I need kami. Doon yan. gonna buy a brush for powder brush. But V here. Grabing init to. Parang impyerno. Ayan. This is the Hongik University, guys. Hongik! Yeah. Uy, amoy Bali ah. Yung pabango, amoy Bali. It's so hot. Freaking hot. Oo, mukha tayong student. Mukha tayong student today.
Pero kami ay magdadala.
This is the Revolve brush, guys. My brush. Wow! 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 I just need a new set of brush for my powder. I don't know. This is my favorite brush, guys. It's the Revolve brush. Ayan, sayang. Siya pa yung binilan ko. Siya yung super bait, guys, ng mga stuff yun. Ayan, sayang. I'm looking for a powder blush for the powder. Yeah. Yeah.
그래서 피크 사이즈, 미디엄, 스몰 이렇게 사이즈 피크, 미디엄, 이거는 미디엄, 피크, 미디엄, 스몰.
Oh, just small. I already have Revolve brush. Yeah.
요거는 요거하고 이거하고 이제 사이즈 차이 쌤인데 사이즈
Which is better?
이거 같은 쌤 사이즈
Guys, got the package and Ben doesn't know. Really. Hindi niya alam. Super nice. We got so many brushes today. We have powder blushes. Mamaya makakalimutan ko na naman yan. Yan, powder blush, highlighter. Ito. What is this? Oh, I didn't buy concealer. Ay! Oo, concealer. Bawal concealer. And lip brush. And for the ikyusan. Ito yung for the glitter. Oo, tama. Slant yung brush. Mas maganda talaga dito sa kasi hindi na ako bumili ng Feb at naubos ang budget. Eh, ngayon, ubos na din talaga pero kinakaya ko yun. Otherwise, bye! Very good! Sana nagkayan ng tacos because naghihirap na tayo. We're now here at Hongdae. They have Puradak chicken, no? So, let's look. Medyo parang uulan na. Yun yung feel. I was looking for that Japanese restaurant that we ate last October here in Hongdae. I guess it's so good. So, we'll try to find it. Ang sarap na ito, Vio. Fondue cheese. May alam ako kasi na Hi guys! So this is the part of Pochang. Doon kami nag-chicken nung last time doon. Sa part na yun. And then Jongno, Pochang area. Ayan, later sa gabi, madami dyan na Pochang. Here then, madami Pochang. And then, we're going now to Iksandang. This is the way to Iksandang. So guys, it's already 4:30 and it's very hot. Pero, you know, let's just take a photo. Yeah. Pero I love the Magoli here. Kasi hindi ka naman iinom. And hindi ko din kaya ubusin yung isang galon ng Magoli. Talagang malalasing ako, mamaya tulog. Ayan. So, ito na yung photo grade. Dito ako lagi nagpapa-photo. And then, diretso lang tayo.
압구정은 아무래도
So, alam niyo na, paulit-ulit na tayo dito sa around. Ay, ang bango niyan. I swear. Matagal yung balm niya.
May bomb na tayo.
Alam mo, andito na yung Iksan, so, yung pasta. Di ba? Yeah.
Eh, kaso
Magmumugo kami. Oh, look at yeah. Imagine the bango. Imagine the ay, picture ko lang. Ay, nasan yung camera mo? Para
kasi nasa ibabaw.
oh, yeah, I know.
Picture na tayo.
Okay, guys. Photo lang kami dito. Ayan, arte-arte lang siya. Guys, we found it cute. The cutest cafe here. It's so cute and bango. Ayan, saya. So cute. Oh, do not climb. Hey, so cute. And they were selling bingsu. Ganyan Api Forest. Sa November. Yeah, very manamig na din yan. And masarap talaga magmumukha ko din. Yun ngayon eh. Pasta and risotto. Wow, I love it. Polak roll. Parang ang sarap. Oh. Ay, ang ganda niya, no? So, it's just, alam mo, eto na yan. Isang ikot mo na lang. Ito na yung Iksandang. Tapos na tayo. Yeah. Eto na yung Nakhon. Panakhon. I think yun yung forest eh. Yung minis. Yung sinabi mo maganda. Yun. Yun na yung pinicture natin na because we want to eat again in Mugok. That's why we don't want to eat here. And we'll just come back on November. Ayun na, dito nagkain, yung True Beauty. Kain sila. Si Lovely Runner dito. Ayun. Ay, ang pogi din na nasa loob. Parang artista. Diba? Alam mo. Ayun na yung Nakhon. This is Nakhon na. So cozy. Ay, picture mo lang. And then, the Nakhon is here. My favorite. Nakhon is my favorite dessert cafe here because it's the train station. Here, it's the train station. So, tas dito kami noon nila tita. And I really love it. Just record here. Nakapag-photo na ako dito eh. Di ba? Naka-red pa ako. So, hi guys. We're going to Mugok again for lunch. Ay, dinner. Lunch. Kasi hindi na kami nagla-lunch. Mugok again. Oh, it's so hot. It's already 6 p.m. here. And yung araw hindi bumababa talaga eh. Just with the view of Gyeongbokjeong. We're gonna cross the road going to Mugok. Okay, see you Mugok. 13:09 guys.
13, number 13.
much. That's why. It's oatmeal that's in oil, and then there's enough flavor aroma. So good. Wala ka pa siya. Para nasa tayo. Okay. Perfect. Parang may siya asin, no? Parang siya umamis. Siya. Guys, alam mo ba, 1 hour open. And after 1 hour, they're cut. So, that's how good it is. Nag-add one rice kagad ako. Because I know. I know. Guys, we're going to Unicate today because we have free consultation, and I don't know, offeran ka na sobrang init dito, as in super init talaga. So 1 o'clock yung ano namin, and then I don't know kung pwede pa because it's already 1:15 p.m. Yay, let's go. They will be giving us Anuma products, so that's why I'm excited. It's worth $120 of Anuma, so that's why. Oh, cute. Sejong, you're so pretty. So I gotta get free coffee. Oh, cute. I get ice in. Yeah, cute. Kaya pala yung ano ni ate, I got that. Good. Oh, hindi ka mantigla. Yeah. Eto, collagen, retinol, super sikaw. This is so cute. Maybe I'll get the retinol because for anti-aging. Yes. Guys, you have to put water here. So, just 1 cup. It's so cute, right? And then you put ice here. V, can you hold? bahay lang. Latak na lang yung yelo eh. Hey, man. Get a towel. Come. You have the retinol juice. Wow. Amazing. Free. So it's free. Now guys, we have the retinol tray. And you just have to wait here for your consultation. They have to wash your face. Diba? Yeah, they need to wash your face. Siyempre dapat, pero look oh. Grabe. Anong tutikin nangyari sa mukha mo? Hindi ako nag-sunblock. Oh my God, what happened? We have to wait for the consultation, but guys, look at my skin. It's so freaking lumabas na yung melasma ko yata. But guys, isang ganito yung makukuha natin later. Yeah, we're doing together the consultation, so let's see how's our face na. And it's so embarrassing. Hi! Yes.
Why the most as one facial skin analysis because they can do like all over effect in 3D and they're gonna use different lighting, including UV. So if you have some makeup or sunblock, you need to wash it off. We can see the right result, and later on you will get the report. So on the report, they will bring the right treatment based on your skin condition and be meeting for you as well if you want to. Please follow me this way because we need to wash your face.
Yes,
Right?
okay. She's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Just leave here, guys. Yeah.
Hot selfie spot. So if you have some makeup, you can use makeup remover here. And for cleanser, we have two types of cleanser. This one for dry skin and this one for oily or combination skin.
Yeah, that's combination.
Yeah, choose whatever you want. But after taking the photo, you can back here again to apply toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen.
Okay, thank you. Okay, do both. Okay, thank you so much. So we have to wash our face now. And it's so good. Everything was Nova. And that's my brand. Bye. Hey guys, we're clean now. Everything was washed out. Ang ganda ng facial wash ng Anuba. Ay, parang bet ko to ha. Ang ganda ng facial wash ng Anuba, girl.
Kaya nga,
I like it. Parang mabubutol ako dito ah. Kasi this is the first time we tried na yung facial wash. Tsaka titignan mo, parang nabanot yung mukha.
More deep cleansing pala.
Oh, it's good. Yeah. There. Okay, let's go guys now for the consultation. Yes.
Ikaw muna. You want to say photo, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Myeongdong, yeah.
Okay, let's
Oh my god, I'm so scared now.
For wrinkles, you have some small eye right here on your forehead as well, and slightly underneath your eyes here. I think your skin is a bit more red,
Yeah, I don't
more flush.
I think it's because of the heat. I didn't apply much sunscreen.
Oh, okay. And for pores, you also have some blush for right here. And for this one, you can see you have like a more small wrinkle right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so for redness and dark spot, you do have a bit more of a dark spot
Yeah.
in the cheek area. You mentioned that you don't really put
Sunscreen.
I would recommend that sunscreen also help prevent wrinkles and your skin from aging as well. For redness, you do have a flush cheek.
Yeah.
And are you concerned about this flush?
Yeah, I got that when I had a big pimples when I was in high school, and then it just stayed like that for how many years?
Like it doesn't fade or anything?
Yeah, it doesn't fade.
And for the spot that you see here is oil. So you have more oil on the T-zone, but overall your skin is still quite dry. One of our consultants is also a 17 fan. She's also going this
weekend.
as well. Alright, so for you, the redness level is quite high. Acne is good. Your skin is still on the dry side. You just have a bit more oil on the T-zone. For your skin tone, it moving slightly toward the darker side, but you still need good sun protection, especially if your skin gets flushed easily.
Yeah.
For your skin concern right here, pore is like right in the middle, but more on the wrinkles right here, black opinions as well. Redness is quite high. Brow and melanin spot is good, and I think for skin tone right here, we're gonna see which part make it come out a little bit more. But summary here, you can see your skin type, your skin age is slightly than your age right now. The biggest skin concern would be redness and some gradient of skin elasticity. For you as well, when you do sunscreen, make sure that it have coverage for UVB as well. If you buy from like Korean sunscreen or Japanese sunscreen, look for the one that have 4+ after PA. They will have like SPF number and then
Plus.
The highest one will be 4+, and like that.
I think I got, I don't know, SPF 50 plus. Just one plus.
Or is minimal, but just more. I think part of this is because your skin is dry. In the future, your under eyes area might be a bit more Pigmentation overall is right in the middle. Melanin buildup is good, but redness level is
Yes.
very high, especially your cheek area here.
Yeah. Look at my cheeks now. So red.
And the white that you see here is oil, just like the T-zone.
T-zone.
Has a little bit on your cheek area. Skin tone, I think, is from the flush that make your skin tone like uneven.
Yeah.
The dark circle is a bit on the orange side here. So your skin is quite dry, the radiance level is quite low as well. Overall, what I would recommend
device?
This one is about 990, if I'm not wrong, about close to 1 million.
Close to one.
Yeah. And if you want to switch to glow, you can push this button and switch. For glow, it's only have one setting. It will last 6 minutes. For glow, you click the button one time and the time will start counting down. And if you click it one more time, it will stop. For this one, you push the gel on as well and you can do the massage motion.
Okay, thank you so much.
You switch it back to the free.
Thank you. So while we're waiting for the clinic,
You can enjoy this, or if you like have time to want to go shopping first while you wait, you can do
no,
that too.
it's too hot.
I know. So you can enjoy
Yeah,
all the
thank you. Thank you so much. We have to put the dito at least. Free to lahat guys. Walang ano. That's what grabe guys. Namumula yung ano ko, mama ko. Akala kayo nyo, rosy cheeks, pero it's not. It's the redness. And it's not good. At least dito lahat free, no? Guys, ganap lang kayo ng free yung gagawin. Yeah, tapos feeling yung yaman-yaman yun, no? Guys, mas mura yung treatment here compare in the Philippines because we're gonna do the restaurant kahit okay lang magpasa-pasa ako. Mas ang ganda-ganda ng after. Ganda-ganda. Kasi collagen naman siya. So we're gonna do the lifting. This is so good. Contour level 2. Contour ka muna. Ito na yung start. Kasi hindi ko na naman pantay. Ito. Siya. Ila-level ano ko siya. So guys, see you later. Because kinontor ko na. Guys, kinontor ko ng sobrang lakas. Gagi. Nagmamahal na lang. Number 2 lang to. Okay, bye. Yeah, it's on. They gave us a new yeah, we will. Thank you so much. Oh, can you get the luggage? Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So guys, we get our free products. It's so cool. Guys, you get free skin analysis, free drinks of collagen, retinol, and Zika. And now they gave us and this is what I'm using talaga. Wow, dancing foam. It's cool. Hindi ako bumili ng sunscreen because I love their sunscreen. They gave us for free. They gave us Santa
Moisturizing cream.
Gentle Zero and my favorite moisturizer. Thank you, Unique Eyesland. So now guys, we're now going to the clinic, UP Clinic at Daiso. Daiso, I know. Oh, I love Daiso. Guys, look at my skin. It may be dark because ang init na dito, pero you know, it's getting glass skin. So we're going down to the clinic to do the restaurant treatment, Botox, and facial. So it's here in UP Clinic. So pagbaba mo, Olive Young. It's Olive Town. It's so nice. No, hindi. Pag ano mo, bili ka na kagad, guys. So we're going to UP. This is the entrance. UP Clinic is here. Maybe here? How do we get there?
Saan tayo akin?
So, paano tayo pupunta dun sa UP?
Sa kabila.
Okay. Nice. Ang hirap pa. Wala siyang instruction to go there. Pero, I love this, ha? Olive Young. So, may bibilin pa tayo. Okay. We found the door. The rider, it's on 5th floor. Let's go. So, sa likod dyan ng Olive Young. So, you have to bypass Olive Young. Pero ito, oh. Andito tayo kanina, oh. Yeah. Stuff and lounge lang daw. Okay, let's go there. Pagka nakita niyo ako, guys, iba na itsura ko. Pag nakita niyo ako, iba na itsura ko. Very Korean. Namumula din ako the redness. We have to treat that also. May papalaser tayo. Okay. So we're now here. In the clinic. Okay, bye. Let's go. Guys, it's the weekend. We're just getting ready. Okay, let's go to jail. Oh,
You're back.
yeah, but it's hirap na madami ah. Ang hirap yung madami nito. So we're gonna do facial, Botox, and Reduran. I'm scared na sa Reduran because injection. Sobrang bulan. Sa dulpit, puro pasayo mukha ko. Oh, baby shoe. So, first time ko magpapabotox. So, ito na yung start ng botox treatment natin.
Sa akin na priority for the acne. Pero next time na lang.
And be the laser for me. Okay, guys. Let's go. Hi. See you at the treatment. So let's go to the treatment room. Ay, wow, parang dentista. Maybe tigisa tayo. Bye-bye. Bye. Hey guys, so tipot namin ngayon. Facial is done. So, for my botox and for Rejuvenate. So, right now, I'm scared because okay daw gawin sa akin and magpapasad siya. Healing is 3 days. So, I'm scared. Pero let's trust the process and the result. look at our face. Maga. Look at her. So, I need a face mask, guys. But, nagsasubside na siya. Kanina sobrang maga nung face ko. But, ito yung pangarap namin. Yung naglalakad namin pinagawa sa mukha. So, let's see kung tatagal tong botox na to at saka tong Regeneron. So, tomorrow, let's see kung magpapa-full face. Hi guys! So, another day, another Gangnam story. We're now going to, again, in Yupik for the whole face. We gave up day 3 BTS for this. Kasi, kailangan namin gumanda. And look, after one day of the eyes, meron din naman. Ayan na. After the train, ito na yung Yupik. Here. See? Ito na sila. Super bilis. Diba? Bug siya. Yan ako. Yupik. And look at my skin. After a day. Nag-subside na pero may tusok pa din. Uy, B. Dito tayo. Ay, dun pala sa Olympian dun. Yeah. Okay. I'm so scared na naman because kahapon, ang sakit na sa forehead and the under eye. And ate, the receptionist sa Yupik, sabi niya masakit daw talaga. Now, it's the whole face. Sana makayanan. Ang sakit. Yeah. Okay guys, day 2 of Pampaganda. Ayaw kasi we come back. Another day, another beauty. And they gave us a medicine now. They gave us protein bars. So good. We could have the painkiller because it needs food for the painkiller because you know it's so much pain. Now pink cream. No, the pink cream on my face. Because it's so sakit daw, and I experienced it. Super sakit talaga siya, and I take medicine a while ago for this pain that I Tapos puro dugo yan kanina. Wow. Sana lang talaga worth it to. Grabe talaga. Grabe. Sobrang sakit talaga as in. Sobra. Parang gusto ko siyang ulitin pero once a year yung kailangan na ready yung sarili ko na masaktan ng ganito ulit. Grabe. At saka guys, magpapasayan siya. Mag-aano yan siya. Magpapasa, mag-aano lahat yan. Ganyan. So we have to fly at 6 o'clock p.m. Tapos pag may magbubuhat kaya ang dami kong bagahe Manila. Sobrang sakit talaga. So guys, we're done. Look at our face. Kaya na-cry na talaga. Yung mga life choices namin. Talagang life choice na to eh. Na, magpapasa to sa baba ko. Ito sa'yo. Dami na yung baby matuko siya. So sa akin, hindi naman gano'n. Hindi pa gano'n na dugo. Nung sabi ko dun sa doktor, does it mean ba? Wala lang, pinakita niya ako. Pero parang nanilo yung ipin ko. Sakit. Okay guys, we're going now to enjoy. So we're going to buy Caroline siya si VCS Groups, Swamp Couple S Groups credit card 10,000 won siya guys. Card so you can use that money everywhere in Korea. Ang cute. Combination. Gwapo ni Daiki. So cute.
Tagal pala eh.
Oo, yeah, matagal siya. Pero kung hindi madami bibili mo. Caratlan, sure. Ay, si Winky. No, it's sure. My baby. Na-feel ko, amount to pay is 10,000 eh. Wala, just the card lang yan. Yan siya. Super cute. Tingin na sa'yo. Show them. It's
Credit card ko.
Nag-text na eh. Nag-text na yung Maya.
Napakadaming transaction sa card na.
Sobrang dami. Diba? Kasi nga yung sa yung sa Uber. I'm so excited. Show my baby. Pogi. Hi guys, we're now in Incheon. Incheon, ew. I told you. So, look at our hotel and the view. Ocean. Where's the ocean? There. I think that one is the ocean. Yay! Dahil dyan na lang tayo tomorrow. Ang dami kotse. Pero para siyang sibilisasyon na ano. Oh, may E-Mart, may CGS. Okay, sana bukas hindi na umulan, Jebal.
Good siya. Ayaw mo nang mabagit magpayat.
Yeah. Maybe you can stay one night. Oo, mas maganda tong hotel na to. Sabi sa'yo, ang daming tao pa yun na dumadating eh. Okay guys, what a night. Bye. Wow. Kahapon super init, pero now ang lamig na. Because it's raining all day. And then, ayan, tapat lang namin yung beach. Lalakad na kami, bus stop para sa Carrotland. Ang cute oh. They have camper vans. Ay, nag-grill sila ng meat. Ang sarap naman. Ayan. Ayan o. Yung view. Ah! That's the beach, guys. Oh, cutie. Ang bango. Gusto ko makikain sa kanila. Kasi walang kwenta yung food namin kanila. E-mart. And that's all. Hello. Ayan o. Cute. Bukas punta kami dyan. Ayan o. Daming seagull. Tapos dito na yung bus stop. Dude. I think so. Meron pa. Pero let's check na din kasi baka mahal yung ano. Yan.
Kasunod na lang sa kayo natin.
Anong oras?
15 minutes.
Yung isa, yung ngayon.
Parating na eh.
Okay na yan.
Eh baka wala eh, mamaya.
Saglit lang naman. Wala pa. Wala pa yung bus eh. Okay guys, bye. Yay! Okay. So we're not going to the stadium. That's the stadium, guys. I'm so excited and happy. 17. See you, Joshua, my baby. Yay. Kailangan namin pumapunta sa Carrot Zone. Buti doon lang yung stop. Si Escoops yung kabilang. To my 17. Thank you so much because it's all raining. They gave us cooling patch if it's too hot. A raincoat. Oh, 감사합니다. Okay guys, let's take a photo. We're now on the stadium. Yeah, hindi kami nakakuha ng photo card. Because nagkagulo na sila. Ang haba pa ng pila namin sa Carrot Zone. 1 hour and then biglang wala. Kainis. But it's okay. It's 17th day. Yeah. See you 17. Bye-bye, girl. Bye. Yes, I'm so close with the stage. Ayan lang, oh. Ayan na. I'm so happy. 17. So happy. And sana hindi na ulan.
공연 들어버렸어. 저 내려오면서 들어왔어. 이겼다. 진짜. 잘했어. 두겸이 형 잘하네.
와, 잘한다. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we're now at the train station. Super bilis nung ano talaga, after the concert. Walang traffic. Sakay ka bus. Mag-train ka, makakauwi ka. Pero mamaya mag-Uber kami kasi wala na dun sa sa hotel. So we will miss 17. Oh, good morning. Ngayon, sobrang init. Kahapon, ang lakas lakas ng ulan. Nakakairita, no? Kung kailan kailangan mo ng araw. So we're going now to the beach. Dun sa tapat ng hotel namin. And later, we're going home na. So this is the last part of the vlog. Ay, ang dami ng tao kahapon kasi maulan siguro. That's why wala dun sa part na yon. Ang ganda. May nagpapadal, oh. Mami. Okay, picture na tayo. Look at this kids. Annyeong. Annyeong. Guys, ang dami. Ang sarap, oh. Hindi, ah. I love the beach here. Yes. Tapos, libre lang. Magtatayo ka ng tent mo. And then, you'll go swimming. I love this. It's just 1 hour from Seoul. So, if you're taga Seoul, di ba? And look at this. Yeah, kami dito. Oh, kaya masakit siya sa paa. Yeah. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute ng tent ni ate. Tingnan mo. I love that.